This Select Realty property video is presented by Brianna Cook. New everything. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has been completely renovated. You're greeted to a flagstone walkway to the new covered front porch, which features a new chandelier. A new kitchen with new cabinets, quartz countertops, and flooring are nice and bright. The laundry room features a wall of cabinets that are perfect for additional storage off the kitchen. The master bathroom has a new walk-in shower, new cabinets, and new flooring. The original hardwood floors, in the living room and bedrooms, has been brought back to life. The roof has been replaced and has a 30-year warranty. New HVAC system, new windows, new hot water heater, new garage doors, and all new kitchen appliances. Out back is a flagstone patio with a view to the wooded acreage behind this gorgeous home. The 4.20 acres is in a great location, being close to the attractions of the Rich Mountain/Black Fork Mountain area, including biking, hiking and horseback riding trails. Up-to-date termite policy with the bug guys. For more information, review the details below or contact Brianna Cook at 479-394-7676.